Hello everyone. My name is Jack and I'm part of the Visor Mark team. Our test results help in making an informed decision when buying a smartphone. Today, I will review another one of the Xiaomi smartphone series, the Xiaomi 13T battery performance. Are you ready? The Xiaomi 13T is a visually appealing and stylish smartphone with a 6.67-inch AMOLED display boasting a resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels, delivering an immersive viewing experience. It offers impressive camera performance with a triple camera setup, excelling in capturing vibrant images, though the selfie camera is less impressive. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultra SoC and 12 GB of RAM, it handles various tasks smoothly. It's water and dust resistant, making it durable for active lifestyles, and provides high-quality sound output for a great multimedia experience. The Xiaomi 13T joins the flagship Pro tier, more than €700 of budget smartphones. It has an user-friendly interface which comes with 4 years of software support, ensuring it stays up to date. The Xiaomi 13T achieved a modest battery performance score of 35 out of 100. It achieved 1 day of use, translating into 28 hours between charges. It scored 0 out of 5 for smartphone battery efficiency, 1 less than the Google Pixel 8. The Xiaomi 13T would use 5.8 kWh per annum taken from the Visor Mark battery performance testing. The Xiaomi 13T falls behind its competitors, getting a score of 35/100. Just 1 point below the Sony Xperia 5 Roman 4 at 36/100. The newer Google Pixel 8 stands out as a strong contender in this category. Powered by a Dimensity 8200 Ultra processor, the Xiaomi 13T may struggle compared to the Sony Xperia 5 Roman 4 and the Google Pixel 8, but it still offers decent performance. It boasts a 144 Hz refresh rate, an improvement over the Sony Xperia 5 Roman 4 and the Google Pixel 8 with 120 Hz refresh rates. The Xiaomi 13T provided an average of 1 day of use, 28 hours, slightly behind the Google Pixel 8 and Sony Xperia, which both exceeded 1.5 days of use. Nonetheless, it boasts impressive 67W charging speeds, and the Xiaomi 13T Pro is even faster at 120W, making it a compelling choice for quick power-ups. Compared to the Google Pixel 8's 27W wired charging and the Sony Xperia 5's 30W, the Xiaomi 13T remains competitive. The Xiaomi 13T offers a significant upgrade and excels in design, camera quality, performance, and reliable battery life. It's an excellent choice for budget-conscious users seeking a stylish flagship/pro tier smartphone that meets modern needs. Balancing performance, battery life, and value, the Xiaomi 13T is a versatile option. The Sony Xperia 5 Roman 4 suits those valuing a compact design and exceptional battery life, while the Google Pixel 8 caters to tech-savvy users looking for advanced features in a compact device. The choice depends on individual preferences like battery life, camera quality, and overall user experience. Stay tuned for our upcoming smartphone battery performance review. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment.